everyone. So today we got our Amazon packet, and in here we have a costume of Michael Myers. So first we got the Michael Myers mask, and we have, I can see the teeth right here, but I don't know what it is inside. It's zombie.
Before we continue the video, make sure to subscribe and like it. And wait for the end for the biggest surprise ever. Now bye, enjoy!
We have this, I think it's also a Michael Myers mask. It looks like it from here. And then we got Pennywise, my favorite. It's my favorite, Pennywise. And then, alas, we got, I think this is some kind of a costume of, I think it's Michael Myers' costume. And that's pretty much it.
We're gonna scare Granny right now. She's right there watching TV. Let's go scare her.